Hello, hi everybody. This is lecture number 15 in the cybersecurity for beginners course. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the mobile device security. It is a very specific topic. So we know that the mobile device security involving protecting all the portable devices from threat or from unauthorized access or data breaches and theft. So we know that the increasing depending on relies on these devices for our personal life and professional activity. So securing them has become a crucial or critical aspect of cybersecurity. And this is on the right side, common mobile security issues. There's so many insecure data, insecure communication, many other things. And we know that types of mobile security, it has many mechanisms like endpoint protection, secure gateway, mobile management, and so on and so on. So let's start with the key threats to mobile devices. Of course, one of them, or the malware, or phishing attack, or devices theft or loss. And on the right side here, I'm showing that the top mobile cyber security threats. There are so many here, like data leak or phishing, malware, and others. So in case of the malware, like targeted mobile device can steal the personal data or information, or maybe track the users or disturb functionality of the device itself. Yeah, showing some example here, like malicious app downloaded from a third party, maybe store, collect login credential and send maybe them to the attacker. The second one, the phishing attacks, where the cyber criminals trick the users into revealing sensitive information via link or fake link or email or sometimes SMS also. Like for example, users receive fraudulent messages claiming or requesting to be from their bank or from friends sometimes, arguing them or asking them to update their account information. It's quite very dangerous. The third one I'm trying to highlight here, maybe device loss or device theft. Maybe losing device can also expose person and corporate data to unauthorized access. Like for example, an employee loses a company phone containing encrypted sensitive data for a company or for himself. The other key threats, the unsecure network, in case of the communication here, connecting to public Wi-Fi. We know that we are going around for maybe for shopping or go for coffee. Usually we connect to public Wi-Fi. So without proper protection, that can lead to data interception. So yeah, right. Or maybe sometimes fake hotspot also to steal the password from users. Also, the other three outdated software. So, for example, like unpatched operating system and application increase vulnerability to exploit attack. Just example here, the Blueborn vulnerability exploit the unpatched Bluetooth protocols on devices, allowing attackers to take control of mobile phone without users interaction. This threat number 6, the excessive permission, like example, like for example in weather app, request access to user microphone or location maybe, and contact list for exceeding the functionality or requirement. Of course, there are so many more, but I am listing here on the right side. So, what is the strategy? What's the strategy for mobile security? I'm trying to list some of them. I cannot cover all. So on the right hand side, like showing the strategy for developing secure mobile app. I mean, one of them analyze data, encrypt source code, and so on. So start with the first one, device encryption, where the encryption can ensure the data stored on the device remain secure even the device lost or stolen. So the guy who received steal the device sometimes cannot decrypt, cannot recover the data back. Now, for example, enabling full disk encryption on Android or operating system device secures personal files and corporate data. Also, the strong authentication also, maybe multi-factor, or not only single factor authentication, maybe second or two multi-factor, or maybe three or more, or maybe using more than one authentication. Like for example, a user logo into their bank app using a password and one-time code, OTP, they call it, sent to the phone. Also, the mobile device management also, its organization to enforce security policies such as remote viewing and app restrictions. Like in company, for example, Microsoft trying to enforce passwords complexity and restrict the file sharing app on employee device. Of course, we don't forget the software update all the time, so it's very important. Also, the great update and patches also, app fitting and permission. For example, during the downloading of apps, only from official stores, cannot go for fake or maybe unknown store. Of course, we need to review also the permission and minimize the risk here. Anti-malware software should be installed in all devices, as well as the secure connection. Usually, the best thing to use the virtual private network, where to ensure that data transmit over the internet is encrypted. Of course, there are so many technologies for mobile security. One of them, the biometric authentication. Maybe use not only password, or maybe use other layer of security like fingerprints, facial recognition, voice recognition, and others also. Like for example, here unblocking smartphone using Face ID or iOS device. Also, second one, the behavior analysis, like machine learning monitors user behavior to identify abnormality or normality that may indicate the compromised device. Also, the containerization with separating work and personal data in different or same device, improve security and privacy. For example, using a smart or Samsung Knox to isolate corporate app and data. Let's come to the conclusion here. The mobile device security is a crucial component of personal and organization cybersecurity. By understanding the threats and implementing robust practice, such as encryption, regular update, as strong authentication, users can significantly reduce the risk associated with these devices. So the adoption of advanced technology also, like biometric authentication and behavior analysis, can enhance the security landscape and ensuring that the devices or mobile devices remain safe in the increasing connected world. Thank you very much.